What's so great about auctions? I don't know where you want me to start. I really enjoy auctions. Okay, let's start with the fun, shall we? Auctions are fun. Auctions are a bunch of people with a high level of energy trying to make something change in their lives, whether they're selling or whether they're buying, occasionally trying to compete with each other. Well, no, not occasionally, all the time trying to compete with each other. So you get all sorts of weird and wonderful pieces of human behavior, which I think is hilarious. You know, you get the builder blokes standing with their pints at the back, and then you get the families all standing together bidding, and now they shouldn't be doing this, but you may well be getting people bidding on behalf of the people who are selling. Now theoretically they shouldn't be doing that, but who knows whether they do or not. And you get nervous because you're about to spend, oh look, dogs. You're about to spend hundreds of thousands of pounds in a blink of an eye, and it's drama and it's theatre, and a great auctioneer will just have you so buzzing and so enjoying the day. So it's fun. Go to an auction if you've never been to one before. But the real reason I like auctions is not the fun bit, although the fun bit is really good fun. And I don't know if you saw quite recently, my friend Arthur came out. We're in Barcelona. I'm in Barcelona just now. My friend Arthur came out. We're in Dr. Stravinsky's, which is an amazing cocktail bar in Barcelona. And he sold a property at auction, but because of COVID, it was online. And I can't remember how many bids, like there were about 97 bids or something. And he made over 100 grand. And we were just sat there watching it happen, drinking a cocktail, and every kind of, the dogs are getting very excited. Every 30 seconds or so, or just less than 30 seconds, a person would put another bid in, and then it extends by another 30 seconds, then another bid, then extends by 30 seconds, then another bid. Oh, it was so much fun. So it's really fun selling at auction as well, and I've done that quite regularly and made very good money. But the real reason I like auctions is not the fun, it's not the drama, it's not the competition, it's not the, woohoo! The real reason I like it is it's the only method of property, apart from buying from a deal sourcer, where you are looking at properties that are wholesale, usually not retail. Now, everybody else, like estate agents, they sell retail, don't they? And even direct to vendor or direct to house, they consider themselves in the retail market. And then occasionally you'll find one that's basically wholesale, i.e. discounted, i.e. below market value, i.e. no money left in, i.e. buy, rent, refurbish, refinance, and all of that stuff, whatever you want to call it. Auctions start out as wholesale. Now, they may end up being retail because somebody's just gone mentally excited and just bid crazy money. No big deal, but they start out as a package of wholesale properties for you to buy. And it's a little known fact that you can buy pre, you can buy post, as well as during. And so where I've really won at auction is I buy pre and I buy post, because I'm buying calm. As much as I love the fun and the competition and the drama and the excitement, I'm actually really wanting to buy properties discounted in a calm environment. So that's why I love auctions. Look at this sunset. I don't know if you can see. Oh, isn't that amazing? So if this has been useful to you, and if it's encouraged you to go and enjoy an auction, I wish you every success. Give the video a like, because it'll help other people see the vid. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber, and then hop on also to my website. I've got loads more information for you at thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk, and I wish you all the success in the world. And come on, let's just have a look at that Barcelona sunset one more time, shall we? See you soon. If you want to keep up to date, because we've got tons of helpful information for you on how to make money in property, subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on.